Hello all, myself Shruti. Today I am here to give a simple and healthy tip which improves children's memory power in a very drastic way. As we all know that memory power plays a very important role in every child's life. All of you might have heard about a plant called Centella asiatica, which is also called as Brahmi. From time immemorial, or we are using in Ayurveda, as it improves the cognitive properties of the brain. Cognitive properties includes the overall mental action like acquiring the knowledge, understanding, reacting to any circumstances, or sensing any issue, etc. It is also called Manduka Parni, which means powerful brain food. Name itself says it helps in improving the brain cells. It also acts as a nutraceutical, which is used in daily diet as a food item. Also used in cosmetic industry as it has anti-wrinkling effect. Overall, it improves the or enhances the memory power of an individual. It acts as a brain tonic since hence it is used in the treatment of mental disorders, not only for children, for everyone who faces memory loss issues can use this plant as a brain tonic. Memory power issue is common, especially when it comes to children. It judges the intelligent quotient. Everybody judges the IQ level of a child, and it is important, or it gives confidence to every child to face exam or to face any task for that matter. Every child has a different grasping power, and on that it also depends on the concentration, how they concentrate on any subject. Cognitive functions also vary from all individuals. It all depends on the neuronal activity of our nervous system, how sharp our nerve cells are or how weak they are. Based on that, the memory power will be there. It also depends on the storage of the memory. We all know that there is like short term memory, long term memory. Some have issues with remembering the numbers or name. So like that, different levels of or different memory storage percentage will be there. To some extent it is passed from heredity, or it is heredity, or it has genetic factor also. There are various experiments which are done on animal models to prove the properties of Centella asiatica. With all the experiments, it is told that it has the capacity to stimulate the neuronal dendritic cells, and hence it improves the morphology of cell. Also, it gives more power to the nervous system. In rats, it has improved the learning performance, and it has enhanced memory retention. The group of rats which are treated with these extracts could execute the function fast. The processing speed was increased, visual spatial skills were increased, as well as working and visual memory levels were also increased. So with all these, I will give a simple tip which can be followed. Everybody can give it to your child, and you can see the benefit in less than 1 month. This plant is easily available as a climber, and it is available in dampy places. The growth of this is seen more in rainy season. So you can collect the plant along with the root, wash it nicely, and dry it in sunlight for 3 to 4 days. After that, you can grind it to a powder. This powder can be stored for long time. Store it in a airtight container. What you can do is, as I told, these leaves are also used for day by day consumption as a vegetable, as a leafy vegetable in the form of chutney, curry, etc. Since it has a bitter taste, children dislike to consume this. So you can give it in this way. And also, giving any medicine early morning in the empty stomach has more benefits, as the more percentage of the contents will be absorbed by the body. So mix a pinch of powder with in a 1 spoon of honey, mix it nicely, and every day give 1 spoon early morning. Since it will be sweet, kids also will like the taste. Follow this for 1 month. You will definitely get to know the results. Coming to overall benefits, this plant has got lots of bioactive compounds which will provide good environment for brain cells, and hence it increases the intelligence and memory power. Along with memory power, it is interesting to know that it improves the mood disorders like self-reported alertness, reduction in anger. That means it helps to control our cognitive behavior also. Along with increasing its memory power, it has got neuroprotective effects also, wherein as I said, with age everybody's nerve cells gets weakened and hence tends to lose memory. So this plant has will help us to overcome it, as it avoids shrinkage of neurons and it keeps the nerve cells healthy. So I hope this is a very small and beneficial tip which will help every child to overcome these memory loss issues, so that it gives confidence to every child to face exam, to face people. All of you follow this and let me know your experience. Don't forget to watch, share and subscribe the video. Please subscribe so that you can keep the track of the informational videos what I'll be releasing. Thank you all.